What's up, people? Just woke up not too long ago. I had woke up from a notification. Turn this down, son. But my joints finally came. You already know what I got. Plus, I'm comparing with my favorites. You know, I'm stay showing this. And then another thing, I just want to see if I got a fucked up pair like everybody been complaining about. You know, I tried something different when I ordered these. I ordered them from Flight Club. I've never heard anybody say anything good or bad about Flight Club. So let me see what's, you know, see what it is. And it was fast. I ain't had to do no. I ain't had to be. I wasn't. Well, they didn't give me the option to get the shipping quick. I mean, I ordered this shit Saturday. It's what, Tuesday afternoon. Not bad at all. I wasn't supposed to get it till yesterday. I mean, tomorrow. That's what it said. And then they updated the information. Ooh, shit. Got my laser. My razor. All right. I just want to see if my shit look fucked up. They ain't playing with the box. Alright. To add to the collection, I got my lost and founds over on the floor. Alright. Let's see. See what we gonna see. Okay. You see something, huh? Alright, both of these shoes are the same size. Mine have a lighter elephant print. This one is a little darker. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference. Elephant is different from the free throw line joints. Yeah, they made sure they threw their little shit up in there. Alright, let's grab the other pair. I ain't gonna bore y'all with the bullshit shit y'all been seeing all online for the last 2 weeks. I try to make it brief. And like I said, my little man getting ready coming from school. And he straight comes in my room, so I don't want him to interrupt. Print looks different, but I'm gonna be real, it's not to the point where it's that noticeable or is that bad. Let's see, compare the back. I don't see no difference. Not in my pair. They look alright to me. I don't see no complaints about them on my end. I guess I got lucky. This part looks smoother versus how my other one. Yeah, that's probably because I got them loose. I always wear my shoestrings loose on my joints. It's basically the same thing now. Same damn thing. Yeah, that's all it is. It just seems like the elephant print on those free throw line ones is a little brighter than it is on these Reimagined, but they really took it back with this one right here. I heard a lot of people complaining about this, but back then that's how they used to use it. I can't remember when they started using the little metal piece, but yeah, they was real cheap back in those days. Not bad though. And again, I got mine from Flight Club. I ordered them Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 3 days. Paid a couple more, but oh well. It is what it is. So, no man coming down there, so holla at y'all later. Listen for the mixtape. Oh, I went in on this new mixtape that's gonna be online this weekend, so make sure y'all listen to it.